specific to Iceland is their water. It's been great here because we haven't had to buy bottled water. You can get water strictly out of the tap. So typically when we travel, we always bring water bottles. We actually had to buy these water bottles when we were over here. I've been using the plastic ones that sort of collapse. However, I don't know, they just started tasting funny and all that stuff, so we got rid of those, and so we do have these water bottles. So there's no need to pay for water over here. I would recommend, no matter where you travel, to always bring water bottles, but specifically in Iceland, bring a water bottle. The water's delicious, it's wonderful, and it's great. So I think that's one of the things to also have on there. The other thing I want to talk about are the baths here, and so we actually got to do a few of the thermal baths. A couple of things for those who, if you don't read the Rick Steves guides or some other ones, I just kind of want to warn you, there is no really privacy in the baths. So once you get into your locker room area, there's no place to really change other than in front of everybody. You do have to take a shower with no clothes on, and there's no privacy with the showers. You have to take a shower with no clothes on and then put on your swimsuit before you can go out into the thermal baths. The first time I walked into there, I was like, okay, so this is happening. But you kind of just get onto it, and nobody's really looking at anybody, so it's okay. At the Blue Lagoon, though, we did go to the Blue Lagoon. We did have to make reservations in advance. They did have some privacy areas as well, too. They're a lot more sophisticated. Their locker system is attached with a bracelet and everything else, so you're okay there at the Blue Lagoon if you are concerned about privacy. But other thermal baths, you're not going to get that. The other sort of thing at the Blue Lagoon, though, I do want to bring up, because as you'll find out, we're wine drinkers, is they do limit you to 3 alcohol beverages per bracelet that you have on and things like that. The reality is you really don't want more than that. They really encourage you to drink a lot of water and everything too, so you won't get dehydrated. And even with any of the other thermal baths, just be mindful of your alcohol intake and make sure you have the water, because it is hot, and you will get dehydrated. But they are so much fun to do. We did a few of them. They were a blast. I wish we would have done more. But just know that there's really not much privacy when you go in there. There are lockers, though, so you can lock your valuables in them. And you get like a little bracelet on there, too. But enjoy those baths. They are fun, and just go for it.